John A. Woodcutter worked for a company for 5 years but never got a raise. The company hired Bill and within a year he got a raise. Then John resented Bill's getting a raise after only a year and went to his boss to talk about it. The boss said, "You are still cutting the same number of trees you were cutting 5 years ago. We are a result-oriented company and would be happy to give you a raise if your productivity goes up." John went back, started hitting harder and putting in longer hours, but he still wasn't able to cut more trees. He went back to his boss and told him his dilemma. The boss told John to go talk to Bill. Maybe there is something Bill knows that you and I don't. John asked Bill how he managed to cut more trees. Bill answered, "After every tree I cut, I take a break for 2 minutes and sharpen my axe." When was the last time you sharpened your axe? When was the last time you sharpened your axe? Past glory and education don't count for much. We have to continuously sharpen the axe. Just like our bodies need good food every day, our minds need good thoughts every day. We need to feed our mind with the pure and the positive to stay on track. Becoming successful takes years of practice and a myriad of failures, attempts, lessons, milestones. Here is 7 habits of successful people. They read a lot. Successful people devote 30 minutes or more each day to education or self-improvement through reading. Most do not read for entertainment. They prefer biographies, history, and self-help books. People who read are better informed in general, have a better and deeper understanding of the world around them, and have less trouble connecting information to a system. They get up early. Research shows that successful people get out of bed at least 3 hours before their workday actually started. Getting up early in the morning gives you a sense of confidence. Early risers are more successful, better organized, more proactive, and disciplined. They pursue their own goals. Knowing where you are headed with your life is crucial to becoming successful. They refer to both daily and long-term goals regularly. Find your own world, your own dreams, and your own goals and pursue them. They spend time with people who inspire them. Try to limit your time reading frustrating news and negative opinions or spending time with people that set you back. Invest more time in people who give you inspiration, strength, and energy. Find your mentors, create your community, and always remember that you are the one to live your life and to follow your unique purpose. They engage in self-care. People often think that the secure road to success is work, work, and once again work. But so much more than it. This workaholic way of thinking leads only to frustration, exhaustion, and burnout. If you want to become and remain successful, you need to learn how to take care of yourself. Focusing on your health also means practicing other healthy habits. Exercising regularly, having a healthy and well-balanced diet, being more mindful, spending time with people you love, and knowing when to unplug. They don't compare themselves to others. In order to understand where we are right now and where we want to go, we often look up to others. People our age, from our industry, success stories, our friends or family members. That's fine while it operates as inspiration. If you want to implement some habits of successful people, start comparing yourself only to yourself. We all have different starting points in life and a different pace of moving through it. They practice gratitude. How often do you stop, notice, and experience gratitude for the life you live, the people you love, the family that supports you, things that bring you sense of purpose and meaning, or everything you have achieved in life so far? Gratitude is one of the most powerful emotions and practices. Thank you for watching.